Alrighty, guys. What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. As you guys can see, I got myself a new headgear for my phone. Can do a lot more. I think this is gonna be better for the videos, guys. Let me know how it is in the comment section below rather than having it right here. But I think this is gonna be a lot better. You guys can actually visually see a lot more, you know, what I'm doing. And oh god damn, that's good. Got my heated steering settings here, so my steering wheel is all heated up. Guys, in this video we're just gonna be going for a quick drive around, not too long. I just want to test out the camera and see if everything's good with it. So let's go for a quick drive, guys. And yeah, we have, as you guys know, a lot of snow here in Canada. All right, let's see. Actually, I'm gonna put it in sport mode. Yeah, I put sport mode here. There we go. Yeah, I feel like this camera is gonna, or the headgear is gonna be a lot better. You know, I can actually see, you guys can see what I'm seeing now, which is gonna be good for the POV action. Man, the roads are messed up here. Oh, we got a person shoveling. Oh, that's nice. There we go. All right, so I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a great evening, morning, or night. Well, I should have said morning, evening, or night. You guys get what I mean. We haven't got this much snow in a while. I think it's been 3 years now. We got, the last time we got a bunch of snow like this was in 2022. Yeah, look at this. You can go, let's go. Look at this, look at the amount of snow here. Can't even see the other guy. Wow. Oh yeah. Hopefully too, I'm also curious on how the audio is gonna be on the video, but yeah, this is like more of a tester account. Or a tester video, I guess you guys can say. So funny, everyone's looking at me right now. Alright. Oh yeah. Purring. She's purring. Just gotta always stop at these stop signs. Always cops on this area, always. Go in manual mode. We're gonna do a nice little pull here. All right. That fucking sounded nice. Sorry to swear, but that was just nice. I'm gonna go here. Fucking purrs. Well, yeah, guys, this car, I fucking love this car. It just drives great. I have no regrets buying this car whatsoever. She sounds amazing. This feels kind of dope, not gonna lie. Wearing this camera is actually nice. Oh, gotta let this person go through. I'll put this back in eco mode for now. There we go. Guys, let me know what you guys think of this this new view now. I think it's gonna be a lot better. I just want to know you guys' opinion. You know, it shows a lot more. You guys can see definitely what I'm seeing right now. Look at that little dog there, little pup. Oh yeah, the street is nicely narrow right now. Got snow everywhere. God damn. Got a little water splasher. Oh! If there was someone standing there, they would have been ruined. Uh-oh. It's a tight little area here. Holy shit. Yeah, these streets are not good. Like these middle lanes right here, if you guys cannot tell, but this middle lane has like a good 3 inches of like ice in height. What is that? That is actually crazy. Oh, I'm going straight. She picks up and goes. She picks up and goes round the road where we go. Nice little houses here. You know what? We'll go this way. Why not? Go the extra long way. I know one of my I know in one of my comments someone said that his car, he has a 2018 Elantra just like mine, and he said it makes some noises, and he said that it vibrates when he's going above 80. And honestly, man, like there's a lot of causes that can happen if that does happen to you guys. You know, majority of the one, it could be it's unbalanced, your wheels. So you need to rebalance those, and then you got to also check to see if the actual mechanical parts are, you know, good or not. Take it to the mechanic, see if it's good or not. They will tell you everything. You guys cannot self-diagnose everything on a car. In my opinion, do not self-diagnose you know, your situations on a car. Take it to the mechanic. It'll be easier. Pay you know, whatever it is, $100 is safer than doing it yourself. The last thing you want is your car to be unsafe and then in the middle of the road you either get stuck or something bad happens to you, and you do not want that to happen. So just take it to the mechanic, be safe, play it cool, and just do it like that. And vibrating over 80 kilometers, you know, majority of the times it is an unbalanced rim, or worst case scenario, you did bend your rims a tiny bit, which shouldn't really, you know, you should see how it is. You know, if you hit like a big bump or a pothole, whatever it is, you should know. But other than that, it should be your unbalanced rims. And if it's others, you know, other problems, major issues, then you definitely gotta take it to your mechanic. And that's the reason why I say take it to your mechanic, because in case there is something big, they will just tell you on the spot that that's an issue. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion on it. Gotta let this guy go through. Gotta wait more and more and more for people sometimes.
sometimes.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am back in my house pretty much. Just want to test out this head strap that I got, and yeah, without further ado guys, hope you guys have a great night or day or morning, whatever you guys are at, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.